You can start making money online with today's strategy even if you have never done so before. All you need to have is a smartphone device or a computer and a good internet connection. You don't need to invest any money because it is completely free. All you need to do for this to work is to watch this step-by-step tutorial till the end. And by then, you'll be able to start making money with just your phone if you so wish. Just before starting, I want to remind you that if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World, with notifications on, so you won't miss any future videos to come, and if you like this type of content, give this video a thumbs up. With all of that said, let's now jump straight away into this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you 3 different websites that you can get paid, so without further ado, the first one we'll be using is called userfeel.com. I guess that many of you have never heard about it before, so let me explain to you what this platform is. This is a platform that you can get paid by testing various apps and websites. Companies from all around the world need people to test their websites in order to find any sort of problems or bugs in them. These companies will pay Userfeel, who will then pay people like yourself to do the testing, and you get paid. As simple as that. Such testing doesn't require any particular knowledge or skills and experience, and that's precisely why I'm showing you this site today. It's an excellent place to get started on making money online if you have never done so before. Something I want to show you about this platform is that it has over 130,000 of qualified testers from all around the world. So this does work in most countries and will most likely work in yours too. They have over 200 happy clients, and some of them can be just seen below, which, as you can see, include some very big companies that I know some of you will recognize right away. If you scroll down a little, you'll see that Userfeel is a multilingual usability and user testing tool. Test any site in any language. Our panel consists of more than 130,000 testers speaking 40 languages. This, I reckon, brings a lot of their customers to this platform, as having testers from different countries in the world means that a website or app that is not in English can still be tested without any problems. Another information relevant for testers is that you can test on any device. Test on desktop, mobile or tablet. Testing with both our app and an external camera allows us to test website or applications on Android, iPhone or iPad. This is why I said in the intro that you can do this with your phone or a computer, and being able to do this on a smartphone is a big bonus because you don't have to be home to be able to test the apps. And there are also some other features here about Userfeel that I won't go over because it's not relevant for us. What you need to do instead when you come here is to scroll down till the bottom of this website, and then underneath testers you need to click on Tester FAQ. And it will bring you over to this page. Here you can see that you can get paid $10 per test, with each test lasting 10 to 20 minutes. And this is actually a good amount of money. After coming to this page, I recommend you scroll down and go through all this information here so you'll get to know exactly how this works. I'll go over the most important information so I don't prolong this video. First off, a great feature about it is that you don't need to buy for anything. It's free. Furthermore, in order to test websites and get paid $10 per test, you need to have a Windows or Mac computer. Your computer also needs to have a microphone, and if you have a laptop, you don't even have to buy one because it probably already contains an internal mic. If you, however, need to buy one, you can literally buy the cheapest one. You don't need to use your real name and address when conducting the test. You should speak in the language of the test because you'll be sent tests in your native language as well, and sometimes in other language that you have set as a fluently spoken in your profile. So you should never be asked to speak in languages that you do not speak fluently. Something worth mentioning is the qualification test. So you can't start right away without first completing the qualification test. And don't worry, it's not something complex or hard. And the last thing worth mentioning is how you get paid. And you can get paid via PayPal or Amazon gift cards. After reading more of this, just scroll down at the bottom of the page and then click on Become a Tester. And from here you'll be taken over to this page when you need to complete some details about yourself, such as first name, last name, email address, your country of residence, year of birth, password, and then how do you want to get paid, some demographic information about you, such as your gender, native language, children status, family status, the devices that you have available for testing. You can choose from these ones right here, some other optional demographic data, then accept their terms of use and privacy policy and apply for tester. So now that you're done with this website, it is time to jump into the next platform, which I'll be showing you in this tutorial. And the platform in question is called honeygain.com. This is a completely different platform in comparison to the previous one, because here you'll be making money by simply sharing your internet. And don't worry, your security is not at risk, because as you can see, you can earn without compromising your security. Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device. And if you want to learn more about this, click here, but in my opinion, I don't think this is necessary. And with Honeygain, you can easily earn passive income. Down here, you can see the step-by-step process. You just need to set it up. Then you have to run Honeygain, let it gather some bits of information that's publicly available online. Then credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified businesses process, and then you get paid. And you can get paid through PayPal or Bitcoin if you love cryptocurrency. And the last thing worth noting about this platform is that your earnings depend on the amount of traffic you share with Honeygain's network. The more you share, the more money you earn. It doesn't pay a huge amount of money, but this is still a passive income method, not an active one, as was the case with the previous platform. So I recommend you use both. Honeygain when you don't have the time to do anything, and Userfill when you do. And the last app that I'm going to show you today is called Money App. This is over at moneyapp.org, and you can get paid by completing simple offers. Here it says it is available on App Store and Google Play Store, but however, for some reasons I couldn't find it on Google Play Store. So if you have an iPhone, this does work for you. And if you come over to the App Store, you're going to see that it has a 4.9 star rating, and more than 120,000 of people have rated this app. So this shows this app is a legit one and you can get paid. You just need to complete some easy tasks and you can earn credits that you can then exchange for money. And as you can see, you get paid in real money. So I really hope you got every instruction right so you can start using these 3 apps and make money online. If you like this strategy, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, to leave a comment down below and to subscribe to our channel.